How's it going, everyone? And thanks for tuning in to another episode of Assembly Tool Specialist. My name is John, and in today's episode, we're going to be covering pinch points. Quite literally covering pinch points. So let's get started. So according to Webster's dictionary, the word safety means to protect against failure, breakage, or accident. And that is exactly what our spin-free covers do on our no-mark covered sockets, bit holders, and extensions. So what exactly is a pinch point and why should it be covered? Well, a pinch point can be the connecting point either between the gun and the extension or the extension and the tool itself. And there are still many other forms of pinch points. So why cover them? Because if a fray from a glove gets caught in one of these very powerful tools, it can unwind so quickly and possibly even sever a couple fingers. And yes, that has happened. Now, not only do our tools with the covered pinch points help protect against that, but our no-mark covers also help protect any painted, plated, or fabric surfaces. That way there's no need to repair, replace, or repaint any valuable material that you're working with. These covers eliminate the pinch points between the power tool and the fastener, so there's no danger of grabbing a thread from a frayed glove or catching a long hair. Our very dedicated mutilation prevention doctors are always on call to ensure you get any cure for any assembly line headache. These tools are specifically designed for each operation. They're not some off-the-shelf substitute. We know you'll rely on our motto that we've got you covered. So if you want to learn how to prevent any kind of damage or possible injury on the assembly line, or maybe just want to see some cool no-mark products like this, visit our website at assemblytoolspecialist.com. And also, if you like seeing videos like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.